Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying iOS 15 or later, and that you're signed into your Apple ID. This feature lives in iCloud. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then iCloud, and select Hide My Email. Tap Create New Address to generate a randomized email that forwards to your real inbox. You're doing this to prevent trackers and reduce spam without revealing your address. Make sure to name or label the address so you can identify its purpose later when reviewing accounts or subscriptions. Next, you'll actually use the address. When signing up for a site or entering an email in Mail, select Use Hide My Email and pick the generated address. You can edit the label and add a note to track where you used it. This helps when you audit addresses. Once you've created multiple addresses, manage them in Settings right arrow iCloud, right arrow Hide My Email to turn forwarding off or regenerate. Doing this maintains privacy while keeping control. It also makes unsubscribing and cleanup straightforward when something goes wrong. To finish, tidy up by reviewing addresses in iCloud and revoke or delete any you no longer want. Deletion stops forwarding immediately. You should also keep labels and notes current so you know which service each address serves. If a service needs your real email later, replace it with the forwarded address or disable forwarding temporarily. Troubleshooting tip: if you're not receiving mail, make sure Hide My Email forwarding is enabled in iCloud and that your Apple ID isn't signed out on the device. Signing back in usual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.